In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cyclone 3D to do very quick floor flatness analysis off a BIM model. Let's get into it. Here we can see I start with the floor from my model that I've loaded within Cyclone 3D. If I turn on the slab, I can see I have the corresponding point cloud available to do my analysis. By selecting both, I can go to the Analysis tab. I can simply run a cloud versus mesh analysis to analyze the data. In the settings, I have the option of painting either my reference or my measure. And I can also set a max distance that I want to work with. I'm going to set mine to 50mm. Once I'm happy, I can hit preview to preview what the data is going to look like. Here we can see the first iteration of the analysis, but I can change the colours to make it make more sense. I'm going to select tolerance value, and I'm going to use the tolerance value of plus or minus 15mm. Once I'm happy with that, I can click OK. I'm now left with the results of my analysis. From here, I can go into the analysis tools and add measures to see the deviation available for each one of my points measured. To get my PDF report, I can simply open up my Compare and Inspect. If I update my report and then open the editor, I'm left with the report that I can then export as a PDF. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.